So we've come to the point now with this variant with the natural gas grill that we're going to assume that we don't smoke food. Well, the problem we have is that smoked food is an extension of cooking food. And so when we specialize that, we have this implied relationship to smoking. We have to have a rigorous way to subtract that out. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a stereotype here called dissociation. And the dissociation stereotype, we're going to adjust its meta class and make that the meta class for that an association. So it only can be applied to associations. And we're going to go ahead and create a customization for ourselves here. And we're doing this so that it will show up in dependency matrices and otherwise be available to us in ways that just making a stereotype aren't. So we've created the customization. We need to set the customization target, and we want to hide the meta type. So we're going to take those two steps. So here's the customization target. There's going to be dissociation. And we're going to turn on hide meta type. So we've done that. Now the issue we have is that these customization effects don't occur instantly. They only occur on loading the project. So I have to save it, and I'm going to close the project and then reopen the project. And then the dissociation will be available to us. And so we'll be able to now use it to subtract use cases and elements out of the relationships that we have. So we're going to take the natural gas grill here, and we're going to put an association on it with smoked food. And we now just have to subtract that. So we're going to right-click and refactor and convert it to more elements, a dissociation. And notice it now shows up as a dissociation. Now, notice it's kind of hard to tell what it is. It just looks very similar to everything else we have here on screen. So the way to change how the dissociation looks is we're going to come into the icon and hit the three dots. And yes, we do want to change it. So notice we have different line styles to pick from. And so we can make it a variety of dashes. I think we will go with the dashed line. And we're going to change the arrowheads. I'm going to pick this one with the slash across it. So I don't recall seeing this as being used in SysML. So we're going to go ahead and use that. And we'll leave the representation icon alone. But for our purposes now, notice that the dissociation does look different than the others. Actually, I don't like the dashed line because it looks too much like the exceptions and the other ones. So we will tweak that a little bit. So we'll go back to a solid line and just have the breaks at the end. And again, it'll show up in tables and matrices, and on a diagram it does say dissociation next to it. So that's how we're going to handle basically a subtractive relationship to allow us to, again, customize the story of our system to properly reflect its actual capabilities.